Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and look who I have today with me. So this is an American girl. Her name is Julie Albright. She is from the History group of dolls. 1970's. I actually did an unboxing of her, and I will leave that link at the end of this video so you can click on it if you're interested. But today I am actually going to dress her in some Christmas clothes. So that is actually my first American Girl doll. I do have an Our Generation doll. Her name is Terry, and I don't know when I'm going to do it, but pretty soon here, probably not till after the first of the year. I do plan on doing a comparison video of the two dolls. But because I do have another 18-inch doll, I do have clothes already. And my sister several years ago sent me this little dress, and I'm going to dress her in that. And I may put this either under it or on top of it. I haven't decided. I know last year with the Our Generation doll, I had this on top, so this was like more of a skirt. And this year, like I said, I'm not really for sure how I'm going to dress Julie in that, but she's got to be Christmassy. So I do have a video coming out on the 18th of December. Did I just say the 18th? Not the 18th. It's the 8th. It is a collaboration with Peacecraft Dolls, Starches and Stitches, and Cherish Dolls. I think that's the name of the channel. Anyway, I will leave links down in the description box below so you can check out their channels. But these videos are going to be going up on December the 18th. And I said it again. It's the 8th of December. It is a collaboration of dressing your doll, your 18-inch doll, in Christmas. Well, I've already got it scheduled, and I didn't know I was going to get her. Otherwise, I probably would have used her. But, you know, she still needs to be dressed up. So let me go ahead and get her dressed, and let's see what she looks like in this. Oh, I'm undressing her, and she's got purple underwear on. I didn't know these girls came with underwear. That's cool. So I've got her dressed in the little outfit. I decided to put this little white shirt underneath. I don't like the look of her cloth shoulder area showing. I don't know. I just don't like the look of it. So I decided to put that underneath. And I think she looks really cool. Plus the fact, if I remember correctly, when I put this on top, it came down and you really couldn't see the flamingos that much. And I wanted the flamingos and the palm trees to show on this. I kept her shoes on. They're purple. I don't know. Maybe, you know, she's a Florida girl. She could go barefooted. Anyway, I am going to look for some type of a piece of jewelry to use for a necklace for her. If I remember correctly, bracelets might work well. So let me dig around and see what I have. So I came across this necklace that I made several years ago. I made it and I put it in my stash. I keep thinking I'm either going to keep it for myself and wear it, or maybe have it in one of my craft fairs. Thought about putting in my Etsy shop, but bracelets I don't usually, or these type of bracelets, unless they're adjustable, I don't usually like to try to sell because I don't know, everybody's wrists and hands are different, and it's like, this is an 8-inch. I usually wear like a 7-inch, so this will be a little big on me, but it's okay. I mean, it'll probably come down here when I have it on, but it won't fall off. But you know what? I think it's going to work really well as a necklace for Julie. And here I have it on. By the way, I wanted to show you the hook that I made. I did all the wiring of this. I should make a necklace like this. That would be kind of fun. Anyway, it works really well. This bracelet works really well for a necklace for her. And since we have the green and the palm trees and all, it's perfect. And now she is all ready for Christmas. And I would take a picture of her and Terry together, but I'm not going to show you what Terry has on right now because, well, I want you to go watch my video when it comes out in a few days here. So I hope you stay tuned for that. I want to thank y'all for joining us and hope you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Oh, and along with Julie, signing out for now. Bye-bye.